Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well at your home. Today I am going to discuss class 6 third chapter Word 2010 tabular presentation. In the previous class we have already discussed how to work in a Word 2010. Now we will discuss how to use table or tabular, how to create a tabular presentation by using the MS Word 2010. First we need to know what is a table. One of the most common but important formatting feature of the word processor is table. Table is a method of processing data in a document in a rows and columns. A table is the structure of vertical column and horizontal rows. We can also say that a table is the combination of rows and columns. Next is creating a table. A table can be simple based on matrix or complex having different number of rows and columns or vice versa. So in this class we will discuss about the tables only. This chapter is based on how to create table, how to delete table, and how to perform different type of option in a table. So first we need to know how to create a table. What you have to do, go to the insert table and then after table, go to the insert table, then after table. There's a 3 method. By using this we can create a table. Insert table. First is you can simply drag your mouse and you can create your table. As many as rows and columns you want, you just drag it and it will be automatically create a table. Second option is you can define it tables in rows. Columns in rows. Insert table, define how many columns you want or how many rows you want and just press OK button. It will be created. And the third option is you can draw a table. Like if you want to draw like this, you can draw it. So this is the 3 method. By using this we can create a table. Now performing a different type of task using this table. First, how to delete a table. How to delete a table. So for deleting a table, first select on a table, then go to the layout option. Which one? Layout option. When you will click on the layout option, a ribbon will come. Here is the delete option. When you will click on the delete, the 4 option will come: delete cell, delete column, delete rows, delete table. Now what you want to do? If you want to delete a row, I have written here R1 and I want to delete these rows. Click on the delete rows. Now you can see that delete row 1 has deleted. Now if you want to delete the whole table, click on the delete table. Again we have to create because we have all deleted our table. Now the option is how to resize our table. Go to the corner of the table. When these cursor will change like this, when you will place your cursor here, this will change like this. Just drag it. When you will drag, it will resize. When you want to move your table from one place to another place, just place your cursor here and just drag it. It will move from one place to another. Inserting a row in a table. How to insert a row, column or cell in a table. I have written here R1, or wait, we will write here C1 column 1, C2, C3, C4, 6. Now I want to add more rows, columns and cell. Go to the layout. Here insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. If you want to create a more column, just click on the insert left, it will be created. Insert right, and if you want to insert rows, then just click on the insert above or insert below. So you can see now table has inserted new rows and columns. Now next is deleting column. We have discussed resizing already. Merging and splitting. Merging means combining, splitting means dividing. If we want to merge a cell, then how to do? Then press your cursor, select this one, that I want to merge this cell. Merging means combining. Go to the merge cell and click. See, it is now merged. And if I want to divide these cell in a two cell, then just press your cursor here and click on the split cell and press OK. Divided now in a two cell. If you want to more, then just define it here, just like that 4 1 like this. It has divided in the 4 column and 1 rows. So like this you can use the different type of command, splitting, merging. If you want to split table also, you just press cursor here and split table, it will be split. Delete table. How to use split, let me show. Go to the insert button, create first table. I have created this table. Now I will use split table. Now it is splitting like this. So you can see that the table is divided in a two parts. So it is called splitting a table. Now how to give shades and border in a table? Just go to the home tab. Here you can see the option. Go to the last one, border and shading. Now decide which type of border you want to give. Decide your color, which color you want to give, and press OK. See, border has changed. Now last one, how to give different type of shades in your. Here is the shading. Click here, just define this one. Color you can define and what color you want to give and press OK. So now it is created like this. And now last one is how to insert a data here. How to insert a data? Simply you can define anything, you can write anything what you want to write, and you can like this by using a keyboard you can insert your data. So this only we have to discuss in this chapter, how to perform these various actions in a table and how to insert a table. There is a 3 method to insert a table. Now this chapter is completed. Watch this video, then after practice in your home, and then go to the question answer, complete your exercise question, and one time read your book to how to all these steps are given. If you do you have any confusion, then you can also use your book to check how to perform all the action, or videos is enough to do all the commands. Thank you. Have a nice day.